how to turn on or turn off show palm to take selfies pictures on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down and then go to the general section and then tap on shooting methods. Now in here, tap on show palm, tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on show palm. Once this is turned on, you can show your palm to the camera to take selfies or start recording selfie videos. So here, if we go back to the camera and switch to the front camera, here I can show palm to take a picture. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.